Hey everybody. So if you don't already know, I'm Laura. I own Flora Botanica here in Atlanta. We primarily do weddings and events, and our style has sort of gravitated to the more like California boho chic, lots of palm leaves and pampas grass and that kind of thing. So we also use a lot of dried products in our designs. So EC Flowers was nice enough to send us a really cool selection of dried things that they offer, which is awesome. I'm always looking for new and different textural things to add to our designs, our installations, our centerpieces, etc. So what I'm going to do today is unbox these and show you what all they have, and then in a later video I'll use them in some sort of design. I have my eye on my little wall here in my studio. So let's get to unboxing. This is the smaller of the two. It's like Christmas when I get to open up new things. Ooh, okay, so this is their Bleached Box. So all of the products in here are going to be on the more white end. They're really, really great for wedding work. This is really cool. I can't remember what this is called, but I want to say it's heliconia or something like that. But when it's fresh, it's like brightly colored and really beautiful, and I'm always trying to figure out what I could use this for because it's so different and interesting. So that's really cool. So there's one of those in there. This is ginger. This is bleached ginger. Looks like it comes with a couple of stalks here as well. This is going to be great to give a little bit of length to some of your arrangements. If you like to do the floor arrangements that have a lot of boho elements, a lot of pampas grass and that kind of thing, this is a cool thing to add to that. It just adds a little bit of height. Let's see, another one of these cool doodads, heliconia again, I think that's the name. Oh, and there's also these, which they include a skewer, which is really cool. So these little spongy guys. This would be kind of cool set into an arrangement like this where it's sort of layered already. I have a anthurium in here right now, but you could easily set in a few of these and it would work. Let's see if I can do this. So you could easily set those in your arrangement and it would add a lot of texture. So there's a couple of these in here. And I don't know what the names of all the stuff is, so bear with me. A lot of the things that EC Flowers sells are on the tropical end that they've managed to preserve and dry. So not as familiar with some of these things, but they're really cool. I love these. These are definitely cool. Could do all kinds of stuff with that. I believe that this is dried Eucalyptus Pods, which I love. These are really, really cool. And you can also use these in centerpieces. They are on the pricier end. The last time I priced these, they were pretty expensive. So you gotta have a specific use for them. But I mean, you could leave them natural as is, or you could paint them for an extra sort of kick. I mean, using these with a metallic base would be pretty neat. So there's that. There's also these little guys, which is cool. I would definitely stake these. They didn't come with skewers or stakes on them, but you could definitely do that. This would give a nice movement. Let's see, so there's those, and there's one more of those in here. Oh, actually no, there's 3 more in here. These also would serve as some really great coverage. If you do installations a lot, which we do a lot of installations, this would be the type of thing that would be great for coverage in installation. You could just sort of tuck that inside to get some really good texture and coverage at the same time. There's these little pods in here, which all come with stakes on them, which is really nice. You don't have to do it yourself. These are on the bigger side too, along with the ginger, about the same size. I would definitely put these in one of your bigger arrangements as well, or on floor pieces that you need length for. Broken ginger. Oh, bleached Sago palm. So love this. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you really should. This is the type of thing that I use a lot of. I love using this in installations, and it's really cool to see it in a bleached form, which Ralph, I will probably be getting with you to buy more of these because they're awesome. Let's see, 3 of those in here. Beautiful. I love this so much. Love it. And there's this. How cool is that? Because some of this dry stuff that's been in the box will eventually relax. So this may not stay like this for long. So if you like that movement, sometimes you can get away with using a flat iron on this stuff. I know sometimes pampas grass I can do that with, or if you really like this, you could soak it in water and then sort of let it dry in the shape that you want it to dry in. But this would be also really beautiful in installation. That's just kind of where my mind goes with this kind of thing. And there are, it's like a ponytail. Ooh, this would also make for an awesome Halloween costume. So there's 5 of these in here, which is really awesome. You get a lot of coverage with this. And of course, bleached pampas grass, because who doesn't love pampas grass? I know I do. Again, if you don't follow my Instagram, you should. You will see tons and tons of pampas grass, palm leaves, all the things, because that's primarily what we use. So that's all that's in the bleach box. I'm going to sort of shuffle these off my workstation.